Right
A
here,
deep well or short well?
this one just to break them loose.
Where's your deep well socket, quarter drive?
Yeah, I have one over here.
It's over there in the bucket. He's got to pull it out. Okay, this is extremely tight over here.
3/8 drive. Socket.
I think somebody is, no.
No?
That's not quarter drive.
Oh, quarter drive.
Okay, these things are going to break. Somebody's got Loctite on these things.
Lag quit. There you go.
That hurt. Do I need a cheater wrench this time?
Boxing 9/16.
Yeah, be able to cheater wrench. So you hook this into the wrench right like that.
Mm-hmm.
There's cheater.
Boy. Did it break loose?
It broke.
Broke the wrench?
Broke something. That's why you have good Allen wrenches.
Yeah.
Nice if I
No,
had
no
my,
Harbor Freight ones.
it'd be nice if I had my tools. It'd be my special wrench would tighten, no problem. That one wasn't too bad. And back here. fxrs are a pain in the ass, aren't they?
Compared to what?
Compared to anything else. Softails have a hole in the frame when you come right through and get in there.
Is that right?
Yep. fxr's got an ignition switch in the way and all kinds of other crap that doesn't need to be here. It's a nice little rod tool to have a ratchet so you can start unscrewing this thing completely, but the problem is you can't get a 1/6 of a turn because the ignition switch is in the way.
If I take that ignition switch off, will it still be with the bracket being in the way?
Still a problem. Alright. So get the wire out of the way, now I go a little bit further. Now you come up, get that out, come back, move your fingers out of there. And if we're left lucky, we'll get the 1/6 of a turn now we need. There's that 1/6 of a turn we needed. The wire's back in the way again. Who put that wire back down there?
Try to pull it up out of the way.
Now you go back down again. Get it out of the way. See, you can't have them both ways. You gotta go back and forth. And we'll go back to our tool here. Yep. Luckily it's unscrewing.
Hmm?
Luckily it's unscrewing. Okay, did you get that broken free yet?
Just one. Two. Let's go to the other socket.
Find the quarter drive yet? There you go.
Oh, shit, you got a 1/4 inch or 7/16 on that side or no?
The gas line's puking his guts again.
Okay, I think them tangled contacts are very good.
Is it off or just on reserve?
It's off. Let me break loose the rocker arm, was that?
No, get some bolts out of there. There's 3 of those quarter drive bolts. So
Take them all the way out?
1/4 inch.
Okay.
Pull them all out. All the way out of there. I got Loctite on these screws. Switch over to the other wrench. Can you get in there?
Huh?
Can you get in there with it?
Yeah.
You have to come a little bit, you switch over the short one. Go get the short socket over there. And
1/4 drive.
Same tip. Use all kinds of different tools, whatever works, use. Okay, and then a wrench. You go to a regular opening and wrench from here.
Okay, yeah.
I need a 1/2 inch open. Front, back. So this you can just go in and out real quick and easy. Go poke in, go back and forth. Goes quick and easy. Just do one flat at a time. Don't get greedy. Spend more. You go quicker. We just go one at a time than the other way. Once it gets loosened up, take it out with your fingers. These bolts won't come out, they're going to be too close. Okay, where's the other one at? Yeah, should have pulled it out first.
Yeah, 7/16 a little longer than I thought they were going to be.
They go in there a long way because they torque the piss out of them. So they go in there 3 diameters, 3/4 inch. It's probably 5/8 minimum. They go in there deep. That's why you can pull them down to 20 foot-pounds, whatever the hell they are. No, not 20, was it 15 to 16, I think. This one's long-winded. It's gonna go easy.
So you take the 1/2 inch ones out or leave them in the rock room?
Not yet.
Don't take them out yet?
Nope. Get all the little stuff out first.
No, 7/16 is out?
Okay, those are loose. Okay, you got all 3 of them out on both heads?
Yes, no, just the rear one.
Okay, get the front ones out. See, that one's still in. Taking out the bolts here. Got one right here. One in the back you just pulled out, and there's one in the middle underneath your finger. No access. Nothing works until you hit the frame. Okay, pull the ratchet out. There you go. You can leave the socket on the bolt, but take the ratchet out of the way and just unscrew it. You get more leverage. Use both fingers.
Like you're trying to explain to me there now?
It goes out quicker like that. You got leverage to get to it. You got 2 different fingers doing the same thing, so it's you get twice as much pulling power. Okay, you got the end one out in the middle?
One more.
One in the middle. Okay, we're done on this side, so I'm coming around. So that's the one he's pulling out, the one that's right down there. So you got bolt here, you got Allen, bolt, 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 and another Allen back there, and then you got the 4 big bolts. Now these 2 here are holding the rock valves down right now. These are open. Now, see how this exhaust valve is open? You can see how they're not the same height. That one's way up in the air, this one's way down. That's got pressure on it. Over here, they're pretty equal, but they both got tension. You're probably on the overlap stroke on this one.
Okay.
So go ahead and pull this off now. Break it free. Once they're free, you can switch to a socket. So you see how the box went like that. Use the 1/4 drive, yep.
And for that?
Yeah, probably went with a
Maybe
short.
smaller one.
I don't want a small one, but you're gonna need a small one to get in the tank.
Okay.
You see that? Get the short one right here. Don't do them all at once. It's supposed to be even. What part of even did you not understand? Is that even? Not even close, because this is all the way up now. Okay, go ahead and pull it up, and it doesn't matter. This one has light tension on it. This one's got tension on it. You gotta do it even. Yeah, caulking the piss out of everything. So. See that valve? See how high it's up in the air?
Mm-hmm.
It's because that valve was open.
Pushing on the whole thing, huh?
Yeah.
How come it didn't make your side come up, just mine?
Because my side still got the bolts in there.
You don't.
Now, if you went out evenly, they would come out easier, but.
Putting these in here. I see the other ones.
Is that clean or is that dirty?
It says dirty.
Well, it goes in the dirty pan.
Yeah.
The dirty pan. See the dirty pan?
Yep.
Okay, that one coming up. Slipped up.
Gasket stuck to it.
This gasket's no problem. Work around it. Give it a heave ho. Watch the paint.
Dent the tank.
Okay, where's the rockers?
Right there's the front one on this side.
Okay. Put that flat, flip those over, put them back down. Okay.
Oh, like half a turn each one or what?
First we gotta break them free. Don't break my wrench. Quit breaking my damn wrench. What are you doing?
I didn't tighten them tight. I mean, I didn't loosen it.
Yeah, I know you trying to break the damn wrench.
Tight.
See how tight that was?
Yep.
You break my damn quarter drive. Okay. Now see how this valve is open more than that one? A little bit. Where's the little wrench? This one looks more equal. It's covered with oil.
Here's the rag right here.
I got my own rag. I'm trying to turn the damn wrench and it's full of oil. You gotta wipe your tools off so you can use them.
Have you got it?
Yes. See, this one's already. This is the one that had the tension off of it already. See, I didn't lift up any.
Mm-hmm.
So that one exhaust valve is when it was open, and that was the first one you put up. If you took this one off, the tension was all on that side. It would have came out a lot more even. But you went the exhaust opposite way you should have went. What a shocker. Okay, now those two bolts are in there. You got to hold the bolts up as you pull out. So get that off. Tap with a hammer. There you go. So stop. Push up on that push rod right there. See how it comes up?
Pull it out.
Pull it out. There's gonna be oil in those things, so you keep laying around like you're doing. It's gonna be a mess.
Want the other one out?
It'd be a lot easier if you're out of the way. Okay, get the cover up too. Get the cover out of the way.
This one?
Yeah, break it out of the damn thing. See how the push rod moves around a lot better now? See how everything just falls out now when you get the binding parts out of the way? Remember, you got the bolt sticking through. Pull the two bolts out. It comes out a lot easier if you don't fight so much. Yeah. Alright, flip it over. Let me see the arms. You're making a mess. Put it back. Okay. Just trying to see if the arms are eaten up. They feel smooth, so they should be alright. Okay, put them over there. Pull it back on it. Okay. Now you can tell the front from the rear pretty easy, see? What's the difference?
Because one's in front, one's in back.
They're identical boxes, but how can you tell the front from the back one?
One because I put this one in the front.
Because this one's filthy as hell and this one's more clean.
Oh,
That's why it's easy to tell.
Can't get to it.
Look at all the oil you made right here. Look at that mess. I gotta pull up the tile, get underneath, wipe it all clean. Is that gonna happen?
As soon as we get done.
That ain't happening at all. Okay, pull tube up, pull push rod, then pull tube up. Come out as a unit. See how it works out better? Now, those have a lot of oil in them. A lot of times they drip all over the place. Luckily yours aren't doing that.
Will it come out the bottom?
Yes, if you get that out of the way. Okay, take these out of here like this. Everything fits in there better when it fits in the pan correctly. Okay, now you get a cover in the way. Those are factory Harley gaskets. I had some of those ones. I still have some. good.
Any oil in that one?
Is that bad? You threw it away.
Yeah, it was bad.
You're not gonna reuse that? That was metal. You could have reused it.
Oil is stuck everywhere in here.
Okay. You got oil in there? Jeez. Amazing. Alright, so there's how you get that all out. See, that wasn't too hard.
12-point socket.
Alright, way back.